again. Here we are continuing the discussion of CSS. And the last class was number 4, and we talked about background images, class 5. Today we're going to talk about grid. I'm in the syllabus on the schedule section, and I'm going to click on class 5 here. And I have a couple review questions. So try these review questions, right? You can post your answers to Gradescope. The first question is to give me a color and just write the CSS, right? Just what the CSS value would be for a transparent orange, okay? Question number 2 is, imagine that you had this markup right here and you needed to add the image arrow.png on the right side. So imagine like right after the word next, we have an image of an arrow and we want to see that arrow inside the button, okay? And you can add any other styles you might add to make this button, look more buttony, right? Okay. And then the next one is, imagine that we have an H1, that's company name, and I guess I gotta fix my spelling there. And we have this image called pattern.png. And what we want to do is we want to repeat it along the bottom edge underneath the text. Okay? So it's going to be repeating, it's going to be on the bottom edge, it's going to repeat only on the x-axis. Okay? So give those problems a try, and then we're going to move into grid. And maybe I'll start that in the next video. Okay? So thanks for watching.